Hey guys, today is June 28th and we have a fresh expiry ahead, and the expiry is expected to be bullish, and the overall market sentiment, the global market sentiments are bullish right now. So, and also this 1 hour candle, this is 1 hour time frame, and I have the CPR at around 34,800 for this week. So I expect the market to close above the CPR. So as a result, I took a bull put spread in one of my accounts. So this is the account. It's currently running in 1.1k loss, but yeah, as far as it is staying above this break even point of 34,832, it's going to be profit for me. The total max profit will be 3,000, and I probably will book around 3k I guess in this week. And also, if something goes wrong, or if I find some 1k profit in this account also, maybe if my mind permits, I'll be squaring it off today. And other than this account, I have other two accounts where I have this Iron Condor running from Friday. So the probability of this trade to be successful is like, I think around 75-80%, because the upper limit we have 36,000 CE, which is actually a biggest resistance for the Bank Nifty, and also it will be like 34,300 PE, and we are bullish about the market. But still, I took an Iron Condor thinking the market will not move more than 1,000 points this week, so probably this has a high chance of winning. So if this trade wins, I will be getting a profit of around 3k again. And in this account is running after a lot of profit bookings and adjustments, and we already booked around 2k profits, and still the existing positions are running. These are the main positions, and we still have around 160 net credit points of DK after booking 2,500 rupees, and this 160 may give 3k. So I'm expecting overall profit of 5k in this account, and I'm expecting a profit of 3k in this account, and probably maximum of 1k to 3k in this account. And this account I'm expecting a profit of 2.5k, as we already booked 1k in this account also. So I'm expecting 2.5k. So let's see how it goes this week. And hey guys, today is June 29th, and Bank Nifty is a little bit trading in between the range, and I'm expecting a possible breakout here. Let's see. I'll just quickly update my positions. So this is my small intraday scalping with my 10k account, and also I don't even have a 10k right now because I just bought one share of Reliance in this account. Simply, I was just doing some small stuffs. With some 8k left, I just made 600 rupees today. And then my main account positions are like this account. I took a bull put spread, and I told you yesterday, and this is staying in a loss right now, but it's still above the break even point. Nothing to worry, it will be in profit slowly. And this is another account where the profit and loss is already sitting in 1.7k, and also we have a 2k profit booked in it in Friday and Monday sessions. And this is another account with 1.7k, it's running, and this is another account which is having like 2k profits and running. So we are possibly expecting like a 10k profit on the whole of 4 accounts. So let's see how it goes. And this is another account, yeah, this is running with 1.6k profit. And this is, if you are wondering what this platform is, this is called Ant Desk platform. You will be familiar with Ant Web, and this is Ant Desk. You should download this from Alice Blue website, and then you will get access to it, and you can just log in and use it like how you use your Ant Web. So this is the position right now, and let's come back and see what will happen during the expiry, or most probably maybe Wednesday end. I think all the 3 positions will decay, and also this only worry for me is this bull put spread, but it is still in my break even, above my break even point, so nothing to worry. But still, I'm not able to look at the profits directly. So this is our position, and let's come back and see tomorrow what happens. So it's Wednesday today, and tomorrow's expiry. And what we did today is, yeah, this account we took Iron Fly, like a short straddle at 35,000 CE, and it gave a good profit. And in this account we already booked 2,000 rupees profit in for this week, for this expiry. And this is a fresh trade running today. And this is another account where I closed the weekly positions here, and also having a lot of adjustments. I think starting with 1 lakh, this account made around I think it will be 4,000 this week expiry. And this is another account where we did today 2,500 rupees profit, with just closing the iron flies of the week. And also I did some scalping in natural gas for the last 2 days, and this account will probably give another 4k this week. And the main thing is in this account where I took a beer put spread at 34,900 PE. So this is causing a little bit of trouble for me because because of the market. The market is suddenly falling. We expected the market to go up today. It reached around 35,200 mark, and suddenly the European markets were down today, and resulting the thing just came down from 35,200. It came all the way down to 34,800. And let's see, it's I don't know if it is a sell trend, and I think the sell trend is limited here because it's almost forming a inverse head and shoulder pattern for me. So considering this is a head and this can be a shoulders, and this is a higher low, so I guess the market is in overall uptrend only, but still we'll never know what happens. We'll have to wait to watch what happens tomorrow in the expiry. But other accounts made good returns for me. Each account like this 1, 2 and 3 accounts, all 3 accounts made around 4,000 each, and only this account is right now in a loss of 2,700. And what's the position of this account is, I took iron fly at 3,500 strike price, and this is the result, and my beer put bull put is in a loss. So let's see, we should hope for a DK tomorrow, and expiry should answer everything. So after a DK we will know how the market will lead from there. So let's see how it goes. Hey guys, so finally the expiry is over. July 1st expiry. Today is Thursday, and this expiry was totally a bearish expiry right from the starting of Monday. Look at this. Right from the Monday starting, there was a bearish big red candle, which indicates the bearishness in the market. But still, I thought the market was bullish due to the global sentiments, and I think it may take a retracement. I thought that it may take a retracement at the CPR levels, and then I was expecting it to go up, but still it was staying in between the channel for the whole expiry. You can see this channel, these two lines. It was just right in between the channels for the whole expiry, and I did not expect this bearishness, but still I thought the level would be 34,500 would be a good support to take a bull put spread. But still I ended up taking a bull put spread at 34,900 in this account, and this account was a bit of too much of fighting. This account took too much of fighting for me, and this week, and we had a loss of like 3k, and I had to cut the losses, and then I took some position today, and just I managed something to make nothing out of this account, because this 800 rupees would probably be the charges alone. And so this account will be in no profit no loss for this week. And we have this account. In this particular account, this 2k is the profit of today, and we also have the position for the next expiry. And this account probably made around 6k this week, this expiry 6k. And this account has a new position for next week in Nifty. I have Iron Condor, and you can maybe copy the same Iron Condor setup for your trading for the next week also. Maybe it will be profitable. And this account gave me a 4k, and this account we also have a position for the next week, same Nifty Iron Condor, and this account again gave me a 4k profit this week. So 6, 4, 4 and no profit no loss. I would be 14,000 profit this week. And also my 10k mission account had a small loss of 348 rupees today, because I was expecting a big move today in Bank Nifty, because it was in the range. You can see in 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, at this point I thought these are the 15-minute time frame, and I took a long straddle at this point, expecting a violent move, but the move was not violent. But I managed to book these losses around when it reached the maximum high today. So I booked the losses there, and then I just let it go. I did not try to recover also, because of expiry. I did not go for option buyings. So this is the expiry, and it went all good. So very decent a very decent strategy would be using the CPR and following the trend. We can just take our entries like that. So my simple strategy for this week was using the CPRs. I was trying to find the right place. Actually, from this point there was a bearish candle, and then following by the next day open bearish, and then gap up and then down, and today was a little bit of range, and then a selling off for the last 2 hours. So this is what happened in the expiry. So what I thought is, having the CPR on the Monday at this point, if there is a 1 hour candle closing above the CPR, I thought any strike price like 200-300 point strike price below the CPR, that is in between the support and the CPR, we have to find a strike price which is 34,600. So if you take a bull put spread, maybe if you sell 34,600 at that point, it would be benefitable, and I think probably even today it was benefitable. It was giving benefits only. 34,600, probably this 34,800 call option was 0, and probably 34,600 was also 0. I'll find it here. 34,600 put option. See, it ended up on 0. So 34,600 was a very good option to sell, put option to sell at the starting of the week, and we knew this like 4 days before itself, and probably we'll be trading some. We'll be doing some intraday strategies, and in this Thursday, in this Friday, and then from Monday we'll be starting another new expiry trades. So let's see how it goes. So this is the result, and we made around a good 16,000 rupees in this week expiry, and yeah, our team is happy, and also our investors are happy. So hope this goes well, and see you in the next video with another expiry and live trading sessions. And I'm probably waiting to take a lot of educational videos, and it's taking a little bit of delay. Maybe I'll do it fast. So see you in the next video, guys. Bye.